you know why we're here.
How you guys doing?
Hey, what's going on?
So were you over there at the gas station?
Yeah, we were just about to call you.
Oh, okay.
I also got a guy, I got his license plate number, but
Okay.
also a gentleman that was in traffic.
Okay.
His name here is Michael. They have a business in town. I think it's... They saw everything that happened.
Okay. Why don't you talk?
So
Yeah.
basically what happened was, this guy's driving erratically behind us, okay?
Okay.
I'm in that truck right there.
Yeah.
And we have a kid in the car, all right? So
This is the
he's...
little fucker who tried to hurt me and my
Whoa,
dog.
whoa,
Stop.
Just calm down.
Can I talk to them, please, for a minute?
We weren't there, so we're trying to figure out what
He
happened.
tried to hit
Whoa,
us.
ma'am, just relax. Let's talk. Let's
Honey, can I just talk to him for a minute and tell him what happened? It's not a big deal as far as what could have happened, but... So, long story short, you can help me with this, though. That road that we come down to turn onto...
Cypress.
Belterre.
Belterre.
Belterre, thank you. So we're coming down Belterre, we go all the way over to the the left side lane to take the left. Take the left. As we take the left, he tries to go into the far lane that I'm driving into. And literally, I mean, I thought he hit us. Like, he was right there, right?
Okay.
So, okay, we make mistakes, whatever.
Right.
Keep driving, right? He's doing these. This.
Behind you guys?
Behind us. Swerving. So I'm out my window going, what are you doing? You know? So then he pulls over into the other lane, tries to come over. There's a car in front of me. He can't go anywhere. He's screaming in my window. I have a 10-year-old right here. You know what I mean? Like, screaming terrible profanities. So then I'm like, I got a kid in the car. He goes, I don't give a fuck. I'll run you off the road. Blah, 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 blah. Right? So that's me kicking in now going, no, that ain't happening, bro. And so we get up. It stops right here. So
At the light?
It stops at the light, but we must have been
on Belterre or Cypress?
on Cypress.
Okay.
Well, not Cypress.
By the gas station, Circle K.
Belterre.
Yeah, right in
Belterre.
front of the circle.
Okay.
So, sorry, but I'm
Yeah, you're good.
yeah. So, anyways, we're a couple cars back or whatever. This kid just won't stop, and he's saying the most ruthless stuff ever. Then he gets out. So I got out, and I start walking over to his car.
Sure.
And he starts walking towards me, and then when I get closer to him, he bounces.
So you
and
guys were
runs
like
back
in this
his car.
confrontation. Okay.
Well, we were about to be, and then he went back in the car.
Okay.
So
what
then
happened
I'm
after
screaming at him, going, are you freaking kidding me? You almost killed my kid, this, that, and the other. So as I'm screaming at him, he tries to come and hit me.
that? With his
I
car?
had to dodge my way out of his way, and then he had nowhere to go forward, so I went around the car. His window was down. I'm screaming at him through the window, same exact thing. Tries the other way and tries to hit me, and he was down in the embankment and everything. I had to dive out of the way on that one. And then he pulled off into the lane, and I came up and took a picture of his license plate, and while I was doing that, 2 or 3 people were like, we saw everything that happened, and this guy
That's
had a
these people?
card.
Okay.
And I said, can I have him call you, please? Like, you
Yeah.
saw it? And they said yes. So that's what just happened. And my dad's a cop. You know,
Did you like kick his car or anything like that?
no,
That you know of?
no.
Okay.
I didn't get close
All right.
enough for that. He
And
hit
then
me
you
with
guys...
his car.
Okay.
He
Okay.
hit me. He hit my shoulder with his car
Okay.
because I literally
That's
had to
your shoulder?
dive out the way.
That's your shoulder?
Yeah.
Where did you get hit at?
Probably right up here.
Okay. Is there you need medical attention or anything like that?
I mean, no, I don't think so. I got free
It
range.
hurts. It might hurt later.
Probably, but I don't think I'm gonna go to the cops or to the, ER or anything like that. But
Okay.
yeah, man, it was a little scary.
It's just for safety, all right? I don't want to.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm sorry, it's work.
You got
man.
that, Miss Ma'am?
That's
Thanks.
work.
Yeah, you're good.
It's all right.
All right.
Let me see that really quick.
Yeah,
I'm
please.
just gonna write it down real fast.
And give the card to you.
Hey, Sarge. You said it's 10-4 on charges, right? Okay.
You know Teresa Shaw?
Yeah.
So that's like my best friend.
Nice.
RJ is a good friend. Teresa's really awesome person.
Yeah, she's great.
We're like family. They're
Yeah,
I
she's
call them
awesome.
my boy family. So
yeah.
I'm not nuts. I don't do this. But when you're messing with a kid and you don't care and you're saying I'm gonna run you off the road, I don't give a shit about
Was
your
he
kid.
young? Was it a young person or older
I
person?
mean, I would say he was young. I would say he was probably like 24
Thank you,
with
ma'am.
dreads.
I have to get mine.
Okay, no worries.
24 with dreads, I want to
Okay.
say. Something
Alright.
like that. I don't know. I mean, somewhere around there, but
Okay.
I'm not sure exactly.
Was it black guy, white guy?
Black guy, I believe. Could have
Okay.
been dark skinned Spanish, but he talked not
Okay.
like that. So,
Okay.
and it's funny because we were just in there calming her down, and then we was gonna call you because I don't want to get in trouble.
No, I understand.
You know what I mean? And
For sure.
you know, we do have something called, you know,
Yeah.
protecting ourselves. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
And
for sure.
I don't think he would have any dents, but I think I hit his side view mirror with this shoulder,
Okay.
if I remember correctly.
Okay.
It happened so fast.
Okay. No, I know those
But
things do.
I didn't think.
Alpha 222 flagler.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
I didn't think anything of it, and that he was gonna come driving at me.
1065, one by number 2729P out of Connecticut.
So I wasn't ready for that. That's where my dad's. Well, just retired.
You're good.
Whatever.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hi, honey. You're all right, honey? I know it's scary. Thank you.
It's okay, baby. This is what happens in the adult world. These guys make it better and make it right.
How old are you? You're 10?
Just a minute. I'll be right
Yeah,
back.
you're
Okay.
Were you guys all in this car together?
Yeah. I'm from work.
Why didn't you wait for us at the gas station?
Who was? What do you mean?
Didn't this happen at the gas
We
station?
pulled
right?
into the gas station when we pulled out.
Oh,
We
okay.
didn't want any more confrontation.
Okay.
We thought he was
I
coming
didn't know. I
after
thought he was
us.
going to come hit the car. He was.
Once we saw
like
him
this
pull into the
close.
gas station, we pulled right out.
I wasn't trying to stay there.
Okay. When were you guys gonna call us?
As soon as she calmed down inside.
He already said that someone was calling.
Okay.
One of the people in the cars was calling.
Okay.
Well, they grabbed me. They were in the lane next to us.
Yeah.
The people over here, I was gonna get their number, but the light turned green and that guy had a card, so I just
Sure.
ran and grabbed his card. And
Yeah.
I figured one would be enough because it was blatant. So
Yeah.
gotta be cameras, whatever over there. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not trying to be, pry or be rude, but I wasn't there, so I have to ask.
Listen,
these
no,
guys,
I
yeah.
completely understand. There's no issues here.
So where is this guy? Is he just like on the loose now?
Did this guy call the
we're
cops?
with the other part. Yeah, I think he's the one that called. We're with him right now. We have deputies with him at the gas station. So we're reviewing footage and we're using a lot of
I thought it
resources
would
for
be
this.
Somebody else.
I knew it was good. I knew it was good.
Yeah, that's why it's weird. Usually, victims usually call us first, So weird that you guys came home and didn't call us. So,
We have a child that was flipping. And we have a witness of somebody I don't know.
Yeah. So hopefully she talks to them. And do you know how old he was?
I have no idea.
Would he
All
look
I
younger?
know is that he was ruthless and
Yeah.
tried to hit me twice. So if he wants to press charges, I'm going to press attempted murder charges. No ifs, ands, or buts about it.
You can ask her. Ask her. Well, he was.
She was the most scared because she thought I was going to get hit by his car. Because he kept coming after me driving. I think I'm going to call Teresa real quick too. Teresa Shaw, you know her?
She rings a bell, I think. So we work for the sheriff's office?
Yeah. Honestly, I'm
And
about
ice
to press
cream,
charges
yeah, we just got ice
for attempted murder. Because it was a female, I'm not sure. What was her name?
Who?
The female officer?
Deputy Broomfield.
Deputy Broomfield, and you are, sir?
Harrison.
Deputy Harrison and Deputy Broomfield.
And then you can tell that we have Sergeant Jacobs
Sergeant Jacobs
over with the other guy.
Sergeant Jacobs over with the other guy. What'd you say? No. This is all just happening now. So I'm just, I just called you. I don't know, So I don't know. Don't want to bother you, but I just wanted to give you a call. Okay. Bye.
How do you know Teresa?
I call them my Florida family. They took me in, man.
Mhm.
Her husband is, we do a little bit of work together, our side jobs and things of that nature. But, I don't know, they're like my best friends, both of them.
Yeah.
Them two, the kids, I was there last night,
Yeah.
so just that kind of thing. I don't know too many people around here.
1 second. Sorry. Going off for discussion. Oh, Jesus. Was it Richard?
Yes.
Alright. I'm gonna put your hands behind your back, please.
What's that?
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
You're being placed under arrest for felony cut mischief and child abuse.
Say it again?
They've got video footage
Of what?
of the whole thing, of the whole incident.
Yes.
And it shows you kicking the vehicle multiple times, reaching in the car, swatting the phone out of the kid's hand, and while he's in the driver's seat.
Swatting a
And
phone?
he's 17.
When he said he's going to shoot me?
That's just.
So, and then is there video camera
Yes.
footage of him trying to hit me with his car?
They have all of it. All of it's on video footage.
So is he getting arrested?
I'm not there witnessing the video, but they're
I'm
showing
getting
you're the
arrested right
primary
now for this
aggressor.
because I had a child in the car, and this guy, for a mile and a half, 2 miles, was messing with us to the point
I
where he
understand what you're
almost.
saying. I understand what you're saying. I do understand what you're saying.
Can I have his phone?
Yeah, that's understandable. Yeah.
I mean, I came out here because I didn't think there was any way. I got out of the car, and I got out of the car to basically, he's telling me to get out. I get out and go, we have a child in this car. You almost killed us 3 times. And then I'm getting, I don't give a fuck about your child, fuck you.
Well, that's all freedom of speech.
Okay, so then when he says he's gonna shoot me, and he pulls up something in his car,
What do you pull up?
it was gray. What do you want to do?
We don't think it's my car, so I can just search it real quick. Spread your feet for me, please. Here. Thanks. Is there anything that's going to hurt me in here?
No.
Did you see a gun, or did anybody see a gun?
It was so fast, he was literally moving. It was fast, raising it up to me. It was gray. That's all I knew. All I knew is whatever it wasn't getting pointed at my face.
What did it look like?
It looked like a gray metal object pointed at my face. I mean, when you're in something like that. I literally just got out of work. I literally was protecting that girl. Man,
anything on it that I don't find and the jail does, it'll be another charge. So if you want to tell me that, we can just work.
there's not. There's
I
2
say-
pockets in
No,
here.
we say it to everybody.
I say it to everybody.
2 pockets in here, man.
You don't want your phone to go with you?
I would rather her have my phone.
Do you want her to have all this stuff?
Call Teresa and tell her what's going on, please.
Do you want her to have all this stuff too?
Yeah, and can you keep that card so it doesn't blow away? Because
Yes.
that's the guy who said that.
I've been
Does
trying
anybody-
to call him. Yeah, I've been trying to call him.
Because this is not right. Phone does not, or video, whatever it is, does not show what happened. At all. What are my charges again, please?
Criminal mischief and child abuse.
How's the child
Because he's
abuse?
17.
Because he's 17?
Correct.
I didn't hit him.
Swatting the phone out.
But he said he said I'm gonna shoot you.
It doesn't have to be physical.
He said I'm gonna shoot you. If you get a hold of that guy, I guarantee you he probably heard that.
I understand what you're saying.
So I
but,
can't swat what I think might be a gun away from my face.
Was it a gun?
I don't know. All I did was hit it. And it was
That's not enough for
Heavy.
the state attorney's office.
not enough for the state attorney's office?
No. You need to see a gun.
So if somebody says I'm
Can
going
you
to
get in,
shoot you. Somebody says I'm going to shoot you in the face. 04. Can I give her my code?
As you heard, Richard was initially charged with 1 felony count child abuse and 1 misdemeanor count criminal mischief. About a month after the incident, the prosecutors lowered the felony child abuse charge to a misdemeanor battery charge. The criminal mischief charges seemed to stem from the damage he caused to the victim's car,